babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany, welcome. So today is day 3 of my Halloween series. If you haven't seen my other 2 videos, make sure to go watch those. But I'm super excited about today's look. Today we're doing a skull that was inspired by Gabriella, I believe is her name. I'll have it on the screen, but she is a famous TikToker and I love all her videos and she does amazing looks. But she did a skull look with some like fabric material that she found, and it inspired me to do the same thing. Obviously we didn't do the same look at all and we have different fabric, but it was inspired by her and I love the way the look turned out. It's very like, I don't know, it's its own thing, I feel like. And so if you guys want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, to save time, I already did my base. It's just a normal base. And going in with eyeshadow, I'm taking a light pink transition shade. And then going in with this sparkly metallic white, I'm going to pack this all under the brow. Then taking this shimmery blue, I'm going to pack this into my crease. Now this does take some time because it is a shimmer and not a matte, but I want this look to look super metallic so it can match like my headpiece later on and just the whole look. Now going back in with that pink and just blending everything together. I'm also making sure to blend it into that inner corner so we get a nice smoky look. Now I'm taking a matte black shade and I'm just going to pack that all over the lid, but as you guys can see, I packed on some powder just in case we got some fallout. And you're just going to want to pack this all the way up to the crease until you get the desired look that you want, and then go back in with that metallic blue shade and just blend everything together so it's nice and smoky. And then for the lower lash line, I'm taking that black and just packing that on and blending it out with the pink. And the same thing with these colors, you're going to want to blend them into the inner corner so we get some nice depth. Usually you wouldn't do this because it does darken the look, but because we are a skull, we are going to do it. And now I'm just buffing away any excess powder that we had on our face. Moving on to the skull features, I'm going to start mapping it out with my MAC pencil in the shade white. I like using this just in case I mess up, or if something's not even, it's easily to remove. And then I'm also going to be mapping out where I want the teeth and everything, just trying to figure out like how I want the look to look like. And if my lips look injured in this video, I'm so sorry, but my Invisalign kind of injured me, so that's why my lips are swollen. A lot of you guys actually thought this look was going to be Harley Quinn for some reason from the trailer, but it's not, it's a skull. I'm also going to be mapping out where I want the nose to be. And then once you get everything outlined the way you want it, and you can erase it, like I said, this pencil's super easy to erase. You're going to want to move on to shading. So I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm just shading everywhere we put that white pencil. And as you guys could see, you could kind of see my like different marks that I have on my face from it being uneven, but you could easily remove it. See, it just like wiped away right there. And then I'm going in with some purple to shade some more just because I wanted to add some color to it. So we did have a camera malfunction and it stopped recording, but basically I'm showing you what I did right here. And so I took a purple eyeshadow and just put that all over the teeth. I honestly don't like the way it looks, so I end up blurring it out later. But moving on to this, I took this from Joann's. It's a fabric and I'm gluing each piece onto my forehead one by one with some lash glue. I get this idea from Gabrielle on TikTok and Instagram. She's so good and so pretty and just such an artist. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. But yeah, so I did that and now I'm blending out that purple because like I said, I didn't like the way it looked. And so what I'm using to do that is just a foundation powder and a foundation little brush and just blending everything out. And then I'm going to go ahead and shade in my nose with some black eyeshadow. You're just going to want to do everything inside the lines. And then I am going to outline it with a liquid eyeliner just to make it look a little bit more sharp and precise. But then I go in with some eyeshadow on top of that just to blur everything out again because I didn't like the way it looked precise. So it was kind of pointless. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Now moving on to the teeth, I'm taking the same products we used for my forehead. But as you guys could see, I made them a little bit more sharp towards the bottom so they look more like teeth. And for my lip gloss, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk. I love the way it looks. It goes with the look so well. And then I'm gluing on the rest of my teeth. If you are going to be talking or eating, I don't recommend this. Maybe just do it on like the outer perimeter of your lips. But oh my gosh, it looks so good with the teeth on. I love it. And then I'm just applying a little bit of blush. I'm using a Lunar Beauty palette right here. And then for highlight, I'm using this Ofra one called Space Baby. It's a nice blue tone highlight, goes with the look so well. You could use my code at BritanyRaquell to save 20% off of Ofra. Also highlighting the nose because it looks so cute. And then I applied my lashes off camera, and now I'm just kind of outlining the teeth some more with some black eyeshadow. Now, I actually had a lot of that fabric left over, so I actually used it as a cape, and I love the way it completed the look. It made like a whole costume out of it, and so DIY costume, and that is your finished look.
And so that's going to be everything for today's video, guys. I hope that you guys like the school look because it took me literally hours. I really like the way it turned out. It's definitely different for me, but I had a really good time doing it, and I love the way it turned out, and I love the TikTok I did with it too, so make sure you guys go follow me on there. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I post every week for you guys, and I'm also posting every day until Halloween, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!